Few words about silicon carbide. I have seen the journey from 30 years ago when it was this type of material with a lot of defects and very interesting scientific avenue. And now it's a commercial market with uh, good numbers, many manufacturers, and it's booming. And what happens now is that it will be booming even more. And for the future positioning, there will be a competition. Then actually having traceability of the manufacturing. But in the each step will be a central thing because traceability means having data, sharing them, using the data to make business, tokenization, climate impact accounting, and added values besides the sales of wafers. And in this way, we actually become more resilient because it's transparent and we can follow. It's a big change for current manufacturers to change and implement this into their existing production. They are now producing so many wafers that they don't cannot stop and have a look at what they're doing regarding the new ways of digitalization and tokenization. But new manufacturers have the opportunity to integrate this from the beginning and integrate added values such as digital twins for the future positioning. So even though starting later, you can do these things and come up and be in leading position in the future because you have the digitalization, you have the new values in business, you have the sustainability accounting, which can be part of the assets in a company. And this is really interesting. And we're working on this, how to set this up and initiate this. So if you're interested in this topic, feel free to get in touch and we can discuss.